What's up everyone, I hope you guys are all doing great. I hope you guys had a great weekend and a great week last week. In this video, we're going to be covering my top 2 stocks for this week. These are some companies that I'm very excited to share with you guys. Some great stocks and some great recovery plays. So yeah, stick around to the rest of the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And without further ado, enjoy the video. Okay, so the first company on this list is Nano-dimensions, ticker symbol NNDM. Now, this is a very exciting company that I've been investing in for the last couple months, and the reason they're on this list this week is because they've dropped significantly in the last month. Now, by this I mean the stock surged up to $16 about a month ago, a little over a month ago, and it's all the way down to below $7 right now, or in the mid sevens right now, which is an absolutely amazing stock to get at this price, and it's a great dip buy. This is a technology, hardware, and 3D printing company, and they focus on the research and development of printing small electronics, such as circuit boards and other small electronic components. Now, this is a really interesting company because they use a very old business model applied to awesome new technology. Now, let me explain. So basically, how other printing companies make a lot of their money is by actually selling the ink, not the actual printers. So this is similar to what Nano-dimensions do. They not only develop the actual 3D printers, but they develop the ink that is used for them, and this is key to their business model. They supply their nano ink to many other fields in the industry for 3D printing, which is really, really awesome because they can expand their business exponentially beyond just their own products and their own line of 3D printed electronics. This company is heavily invested in by Cathie, who is the founder and CEO of ARK Invest and an absolutely amazing and accredited investor. And that alone is a great reason to look into a company if someone like Cathie is heavily investing in it. She's also heavily buying the dips right now, with this company being in the low 7 and 8s, which is a credible price. This company also has extremely strong financials. I'm not going to go into this video because there's not going to be enough time, and that's fine. You can look into them on your own, but just know it's a very strong company financially. They have great fundamentals as well, and the price right now is absolutely insane. It's, as I said, it's dropped over 100% in the last month. And this is not due to any negative catalyst for the stock. It would be very different if the stock had dropped that much due to terrible earnings or a negative catalyst for this company. But that's just purely fear in the market. The last couple weeks has been very, very rough in the market overall, and this company has just completely overreacted because it is a small cap technology stock, and those have been hit the hardest the last week. So yeah, this is a massive overreaction. The stock should not be this low. It's valued much higher than this, and I definitely think it's going to go a lot higher in the future. Alright, the next company on this list is RIOT, RIOT. Now, this is a pretty risky play, so be careful if you look into this one. It is a lot riskier than the other stocks that I'm going to be talking about on this channel, typically, but it also has a lot of upside right now where it currently is sitting, so it just has to go on this list because it's so low, and it should be valued so much higher than this. Now, this is a blockchain technology company related to cryptocurrency. So this company focuses on buying blockchain and cryptocurrency businesses. So it's kind of like behind the scenes of blockchain and Bitcoin. So if you do believe in blockchain and cryptocurrency, this is a great way to invest in it through the stock market. So RIOT also has existing biotechnology companies that it supports, among others, but that's not very important for investing in this stock. And basically all you need to know is that RIOT basically mirrors the performance of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency overall. So when Bitcoin is going up, RIOT is going up, and when Bitcoin is going down, RIOT is also going down, typically pretty violently reacting to the moves that Bitcoin makes. This stock overreacts both ways, so it's a great way to basically get it really, really low when it's completely undervalued and ride it all the way back. This has been a complete pattern with RIOT, and we've seen this over and over again the past couple months. And there's basically 2 ways that you can play the stock and make money off of this stock, so I'm going to go into both. So option 1, if you believe in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, you can just buy and hold this long term, because if you believe in the technology of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and blockchain, RIOT will go up with that. And although it is a pretty risky stock, I mean, overall, if you believe in those technologies, this is going to be following them and it's going to go up with them. So that's one option. You can just buy and hold long term, and that's a great way to make money. But what I'm personally doing is option 2. Now, option 2 is basically buying when it's super, super low and just riding it back up. Because as we know with cryptocurrency, it's extremely volatile. So we see massive moves in both directions very frequently. So RIOT in the last 2 weeks has gone all the way down to $40 from its all-time highs at $78. Now, that's almost 100% down, which gives us about 100% of upside up to all-time highs. And I definitely think it could go a lot higher than this as well. So my plan going into this trade, I loaded up last Friday at $40 per share. I'll be writing this all the way up to hopefully $65, maybe $70, taking profits and then seeing where it goes from there. Because although I do believe in cryptocurrency and blockchain in the long term, and I do have investments in cryptocurrency, with this stock, I just like to make some quick money and kind of, ride the short waves, because it is so volatile. And if you're watching it closely, you can definitely make a lot more money with that than just, riding it long term. Remember, this is a very risky investment, so just be very careful when investing with this. Do your own research and always be patient and cool-headed with your investments. Never get too emotional when you're in the stock market, because that can get dangerous and you can lose a lot of money. So yeah, those are my top 2 stocks for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. These are just my opinions as a humble 18-year-old investor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Also, shout out to Jack for editing this video. He is my editor. He's an amazing editor and an amazing videographer. So make sure to check him out. I'll put his Instagram in this video or in the description. So check him out. He has amazing cinematography and videography and a great guy. So thanks, Jack. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.